You use a lot of application, right, to improve your communication skill. So what that time, then why did you decide that you should connect with the people? And is it really helpful to connect with the people, and you will feel like that now you are intermediate, right? So you will improve to the next level. Do you feel that connecting with the people?
No, actually, it has become one of my hobbies, you can say. Like, I like to talk to people nowadays. So that is why, like, because of my passion, I am talking to other people. And definitely, I must say that obviously we are improving our English, because at least we are talking in English language. We are getting environment to speak in English language. So environment is the most important thing that we need to create to
Mm-hmm.
speak in English language. At least through this way, we are getting environment, and we are exploring other cultures, and like, we are getting to know about their lives and their thoughts. A lot of things we are getting to know. So that is why it has become my hobbies, one of my hobbies. So
Okay,
I
okay.
feel like talking to other.
Except this, you said that you always listen a lot, and people always emphasis for the reading skill. So are you a reading
Mhm.
person, or you always love to listen a lot?
No. I most of the time I listen. I don't read too much. Like, I read just because of my examination. So there also I am reading English language. So as I told you that I am teaching students. So there also I read their textbooks, which is in English. So right. So I read English. I teach them English subject. So I already, like, automatically I'm getting chance to read. I don't need to read separately for that. So obviously reading is also helpful, because there also we can know about sentence formation, how a word is used in a sentence. We are getting to know all those things from reading. So obviously reading is also helpful, but listening is the first step. Because
Yes, yes.
when we were child, at the time also, at first we listened our mother tongue, then we started imitating. But in
Mhm.
that case we did not need to learn grammar, because already, like, it is our mother tongue, so we had environment.
Yes, absolutely, indeed, precisely, I would say, because I'm also not a reading person, and I love to listen a lot. And the more I will listen, the more I will,
Yes.
learn a lot in many things. I'm not reading person, and the thing is that whatever you are listening, you need to just speak out, repeat
Hmm.
it, follow
Yeah.
it.
We
Another
have to read
method.
aloud. Yeah, we have to
Hmm.
read aloud so that we'll be able to correct our pronunciation.
Yes, yes. When you are listening, when you are listening, and by the time you are speaking, by the time you are repeating the words, that time your listening, speaking skill work, right? Your listening skills work, and pronunciation also get corrected.
Yeah,
Mhm.
obviously.
Great, great, great. Okay, you seems good. You are, speaking good. I don't find anything, wrong, and anything to be change in yourself. It's just that you are saying that you are not crossing the intermediate level, right? And you want to cross that level. So, what are the strategies for that in your
I,
pipeline?
I don't know. Actually, I want to know from you that what kind of strategies I should follow to increase these level, like to increase my level more and more.
Tell me, so first of all, I want to know what are your gray areas? Where are you lagging behind?
Okay, so if I talk about like my what can I say, weak points in English. So in that case, I would say that like words, some words I am learning, but I'm not able to use those words in my sentences. So maybe this is why
Mhm.
I'm not able to be an advanced speaker. So maybe this is one of reasons. So, and one more thing is that many sentence formations are also there. I study, I read in textbooks, but I'm not able to use those sentence formations. Most of the time I make some sentences like which people will understand in a better way. I have seen many videos that like lot of speakers are using, like what can I say, very advanced sentence formations, but I am not able to use. I am listening, and whenever I am listening that, oh, this sentence formation, I can say it easily, but like, because of overconfidence, maybe I'm not able to use those sentence formations as well.
The thing is that it happened with everyone, first of all, right? Take this
Mm.
privilege, because we are not native speaker, right? And if I talk about myself, how I am using a difficult word, it's just that I'm taking one word and try to make the sentences as many as you can in
Yeah.
your I try to juggle it with your day-to-day work, right?
Mm-hmm.
Once create that confidence that you are perfect with that word, then only leave that word. Kind of a confidence keep inside
Yeah.
you. Don't jump,
It
don't
will take time.
hop on another
It will
word.
take.
Take one word and try to juggle it with, like I am giving you one word here,
Mm.
one advanced word, bravado. Bravado.
What is that word? What is that
Bravado,
word?
or bravado means showing off. To show something,
Okay.
arrogant type of a nature, right? Like, let me just explain one example. Let me just frame the example sentence here. Bravado means I'm learning this language not to. I'm not here to bravado. I'm learning this language because I don't want to be bravado. I don't want to put myself into the bravado position. I'm not here to bravado,
Okay.
right? Show off नहीं करना
Okay, so
चाहती हूँ
could
मैं.
you tell me the spelling? Could you tell me the spelling of this word? Spelling.
B R A
B-R, B-R.
B V A D O bravado.
Okay, okay, okay.
Bravado. हम कहते हैं ना, we all the time saying then I'm not. Whenever we are learning this language, we always get the comments for the people. Oh, अंग्रेज चले गए, अंग्रेज को छोड़ गए, like that, right? We
Yeah,
always
people
get.
say that you are showing
And
that
that's
you are showing that
yes.
you know English.
That. So instead of saying that time you can say I'm learning this language. Not no, I'm not here to bravado.
Mm-hmm.
मतलब मैं show करने के लिए नहीं learn कर रही हूँ this language, right? Bravado.
Yeah.
There is one of.
That means I am also
Hmm.
a learner and I'm not showing myself that I know English and I can speak in English language.
Yes, and try, now I have given you one word. Try to frame the sentences as many as you can. Once you have that confidence, now you are confident with that word, right? The
Yeah.
second word I am giving you here, one word is when glorious.
What? Glorious. Glorious.
When when glorious means arrogant personality.
Okay,
Let me just give
understand. Okay, okay.
let me give you example here. Being a when glorious person, nobody's trying to connect with me.
Okay, okay. So what is that word? Vainglorious. V-E-N.
Yes, when glorious. VAINGLOURS, something like that. When
Okay.
glorious.
Your voice was breaking, so I was not able to get the like spelling of that word.
When glorious. VAIN.
Okay, okay. Now I got it.
Got
Now I
it?
got it. Yeah.
Yes. When glorious. Right. And one word I'm also giving you here, the advancement fraternity. Fraternity means, like, let me just give you example here. We are into the same fraternity. Why I'm saying this word? Because we are learning here this language. We have a
Mhm.
same interest. We are into the same group. So I would say I'm into
Or
the
also we can say that we are on the same boat. We are on the same boat.
we are into
It's
the
an
same
idiom.
fraternity. Right? Fraternity means a group of the people who has same interest, right? Same kind of
Okay.
a profession. That
Mhm.
is. First, try to understand the ABCD of that particular word before applying it.
Yeah.
Right? Before applying
Yeah.
it. Like I told you, try to frame the sentences as many as you can. Once you have that confidence, now you are good to go with that word.
Mhm.
Right? Are you getting my point actually, what I want to convey you?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm like I am listening to you and I'm able to understand whatever you are trying to say.
Take one word whenever you are connecting with the people, use that word.
Yeah, actually, we have to use those words in our conversation. Otherwise, we will not be able to remember those words. And one more trick I learned from YouTube, that is, suppose you have got one new word and you don't know the meaning. In that case, you have to work on that particular word at least for half an hour. For example, you have to search the meaning, like English meaning of that word, and you have to make sentences or you can make stories as well. And apart from that, you have to, like, one word has various form, like noun form, verb forms, adjective forms, adverb forms. So we have to try to search various kinds of forms of one particular word, and also synonyms and antonyms. Like, through this way we'll be able to remember the word, because we are working on that word for half an hour, at least half an hour.
Let
So
me
this
just give you yes, let me just give you example here. Suppose I ask you one word, childhood, childhood. So what are that words, coming in your in your brain? If I said that, if I just said that childhood, कौन से what are the words is popping up in your brain related to childhood?
childhood. So memory, because we have made lot of memories in our childhood.
Yes, memory, mischievous,
Yeah, mischievous, naughtiness,
naughty,
naughty. Yeah,
naughty, yes, and
and
like a
innocent,
free word.
innocent,
I feel like
innocent
a
also.
free, innocent, free word.
Yeah,
You have words related to childhood, right?
yeah.
Now, now the next step is, now you have to frame the sentence story on childhood. Try to frame the
Mhm.
story in your childhood. You have a lot of memories, in your basket that you would like to cherish and relish entire your life, right? So
Yeah.
frame the sentences and make a chain of the sentences in the form of story using all these words. That's how you will learn a lot of words. That is one more activity.
That is a really amazing activity, and that is like we will enjoy that activity as well.
Yes,
We'll not get bored. Yeah,
yes. And whenever the person, asking any question to you, try to correlate that question with your life, with your
yeah,
social life, with your family
yeah,
members, your friends. You always get the answer. Always get the answer. People always confuse, ma'am. How do I answer? We don't know how to respond it. When the extempore topic comes in front of them, spontaneity.
yeah,
कोई आ जाता है topic. So try to relate that question to your friends, your social life. You always have the answer.
yeah.
That's my actually.
That's an amazing trick, really. I didn't know about that. Thank you. I have got to know about a new thing.
Okay, so let me just stop the recording.